Fam, good morning to you. Day 11 of hashtag Motivate Humanity. So what do I have for you today? Surround yourself with the right people. I can't tell you how important it is to surround yourself with the right people, the people that aren't negative, the people that are going to help you in life, that are going to contribute to your positive energy, right? Because negative energy doesn't get you anywhere. And when you're around the right people, you're more creative. You do things that you tend to enjoy doing more. For example, if you surround yourself with people that travel, right? There's other people that travel that are around you. You're going to want to travel more. You're going to have more opportunity to travel. If you surround yourself with writers, you're going to write more. You're going to have the opportunity to publish more. Surrounding yourself with the right people. Just imagine how much better you as a person will be if you're around people that are like-minded, right? If you're in the right mindset. If you surround yourself with people that have a common interest with you. If you surround yourself with people that are, just displaying positive energy, right? Just imagine how much better your life is going to be. A lot of times we tend to surround ourselves with people that we just kind of grew up with or just kind of in our area or neighborhood, and that may not be healthy. That may not be healthy for you. That may not be the right set of people for you. And the truth is, we all want to or should want to grow in life, right? How are you going to grow if your entire surrounding is the same all the time, right? If you're around the people that you grew up with, and that's it, how are you going to ever grow as a person, right? Think about that. I had a Zoom seminar yesterday with a bunch of guys that are contributing to a book called Men Across Borders. And I'll tell you something, guys. I was so happy to be around other positive people that are making an impact, right? An impact to this big world. And it just made me so much more creative. It made me think more. It made me want to be more, right? To strive for more. When you're sitting in a room with a bunch of people that are accomplished, that have done something, that have that great positive energy, you're going to feel that, and you're going to vibe off of that and be more creative and do more. And I'm not just talking about like being successful. I'm talking about hobbies. Think about this. If you surround yourself with a bunch of musicians, right? And you're a musician, and you befriend a bunch of musicians, you go on these trips with a bunch of musicians, don't you think you're going to become a better musician? Absolutely. You're going to be better. You're going to become better, and don't set out to befriend people with the purpose of getting something out of them. What I'm saying is your environment matters, right? What you do matter, who you surround yourself with matters. So set out to be different, to find new friends, to surround yourself with positive energy and like-minded people, or people that you want to be like, right? If you're in the room with a famous musician that's a great drummer and you're a drummer, you're gonna go, wow, how did you become so great? Anyways, that's my message today, guys. Day 11 of the hashtag Motivate Humanity Challenge. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate all the love. Peace.